There is an important species of life on Earth that is a joke when you risk your life climbing steep cliffs to find quality. Yes, none other than the ibex. However, ignoring the natural talents of the great climber, today's video joins us in the endless gay battles of this mountain goat and how we show strength. Ibex, the never-ending battle. Ebex are herbivores found in Eurasia, North Africa, and East Africa. Ibex uses its pincer-like hooves and impressive agility to climb even the steepest cliffs, so we must avoid most birds of prey. However, although they do not participate in battles with other predators, during the breeding season, these ibex have to fight with their own kind to get valuable rewards. Endless battles began to break out in the somewhat harsh and treacherous terrain. Who will win? Like every different species, having its own distribution and country of values is something we all aspire to. And to get that, intense battles still happen often, anytime, anywhere. With the determination to separate and herd and be distributed with the offspring, the Alps often rush into each other very violently during the combined season. This creates loud sounds on the steep cliffs of the Alps. These two ibex are ready to enter a mortal battle. We rushed into each other and launched extremely powerful smashes. Both are extremely aggressive, and the battle only stops when one of them runs away. It is known that mountain goats tend to live in steep, rough terrain near snow streams. They are also social, although adult males and females are separate for most of the year, coming together only to mate. During the breeding season, males compete for access to the females and use their long horns to engage in female fighting behaviors. Although this fight is very fierce and can cause death to another member, the male alpine goats are not afraid to show their strength, because the reward for the winner is very generous when it maintains its own breed. Most battles are fought on a high cliff. What if they accidentally tripped and fell? However, that will hardly happen because they are extremely magical. Their heel creates a frame with a sturdy outer cheek, but soft inner cheek, allowing it to flex and cling to extremely thick and delicate surfaces. If we slip, immediately the claws can work together to cling to the focal points at the bottom to prevent the ibex from falling into a tragedy. Strong horns begin to compete against each other. Everyone wants to prove their strength, so we use all of their strength to throw skydiving blows on the opponent and to have control and priority in all respects. All males will have to participate in these struggles. Adult ibex horns are strong, arched with raised, often horizontal, however in juveniles much smaller and of a different structure. Horns appear in young very early, usually the third of the week or the fourth of life. Horns are a weapon of combat as well as a way to attract things. Ebex are usually attracted to males with long, strong horns. Therefore, the male ibex must show and demonstrate strength in order to want to have his own distribution rights. Male ibex fight each other in battle for the attention of female ibex in the high mountains. The sound of the horns coming from the race showed their great fitness. They tried to push the opponent out of their territory. If not careful, the enemy's horn can pierce their body and injure them. Usually, fights between males will rarely result in serious injury or death. They will fight when the weak die and accept their end. Younger individuals were chased away by stronger opponents or roamed in herds so that if possible, we would cover the females that had fallen behind in the harem. Although known to be a gentle herbivore, when entering the reproductive stage, the ibex becomes more aggressive and powerful than ever. Join me to witness the fiery battle between these two ibex. Couples up to half a meter long and curvy want to show off their strength. The stronger one's stern hit caused the weaker ibex to accept defeat. Wild nature always makes us quiet and horror by the hidden animals around us. Although the living conditions there are extremely difficult, many small creatures, including humans, find ways to adapt and survive. The ibex is a testament to the progress of animals to adapt well to all conditions. Today's video ends here. Hope you have more information about the beautiful snow leopard. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share our channel with me. Thank you and see you in our next videos. Goodbye.
A fight that ends with one of the opponents falling off a cliff can have fatal consequences. So let's dive in and see what makes ibex fights so special. The ibex, also known as the alpine ibex, is a species of wild goat that is native to the Alps and other high mountain ranges in Europe. When a female is ready to mate, males must compete to choose who qualifies to do so. Competitors took their position. Getting the upper ground will be key. The male's skulls are specifically reinforced to take a battering. They're evenly matched. The battle could last up to an hour. If an ibex loses its balance, it can fall from great heights and suffer serious injuries or even death. This makes their battles not just about dominance, but also about survival. Unfortunately, one of the males loses control and drops from a height of over 6,000 feet. Fights between ibex are often intense, but they are also incredibly risky. In a world where one misstep can mean falling from a cliff. To find out who's the toughest, males go head-to-head. Their unique way of fighting, although dangerous, is a testament to their strength and determination to survive. The goal is to push the other off balance and gain the upper hand. They have strong hind legs that allow them to maintain their balance, even on the steepest cliffs. This shows their willingness to take risk in order to ensure their survival and reproduction success.